If your kid is ready for some rough, rugged fun, check out our F150 12-volt battery electric ride-on. This is a new addition to the Ford family of ride-on cars we sell, and the moment we listed it, it started selling like hotcakes. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, functioning horn, and a safety belt. Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The tailgate opens for quick and easy storage. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces. The 5-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. The spray-painted finish is like no other car on the market. The working bonnet makes for quick and easy storage. 3-way key start with keys included. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. It has a comfortable padded leather style seat. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. Let them tune into their favourite station with the built-in FM/AM radio. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks which are compatible with this car's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all of our ride-on cars. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com where we offer a free 1-day delivery if you live in the UK and if you order before 1 PM.